Welcome back to AutoReviewZone. The 2025 Porsche 911 Targa 4 GTS arrives as a bold expression of luxury, performance, and timeless design, blending the open-air thrill of a convertible with the structural strength of a coupe. Pricing begins at around $172,000, positioning it as a premium sports car crafted for drivers who demand an exclusive combination of speed, elegance, and cutting-edge technology. The Targa 4 GTS stands out with its unique roof system, striking performance credentials, and refined everyday usability, making it one of the most desirable models in Porsche's legendary 911 lineup. The 911 Targa 4 GTS carries Porsche's signature silhouette, but its Targa configuration sets it apart. A fully automatic roof system allows the glass rear window and wide roof panel to fold neatly behind the cabin in just 19 seconds. It's a showpiece of engineering that never fails to draw attention. The exterior design is enhanced by the GTS treatment, which includes blacked-out trim elements, aggressive front and rear fascias, and gloss black 20-inch front and 21-inch rear center lock wheels derived from the 911 Turbo. Subtle yet muscular details ensure that the Targa 4 GTS delivers an unmistakable road presence, whether parked at a luxury hotel or carving through winding mountain roads. Step inside, and the Targa 4 GTS reveals an interior that mixes race-inspired performance with high-end comfort. The cabin comes standard with Porsche's Racetex suede-like material across the steering wheel, seats, and headliner, giving it a motorsport atmosphere. Sport Seats Plus provide firm bolstering for spirited drives, yet remain comfortable enough for longer road trips. The 10.9-inch touchscreen display supports Porsche Communication Management, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. Optional upgrades include premium leather upholstery, a Burmester surround sound audio system, and adaptive sport seats for those who prefer maximum adjustability. Practicality is not forgotten. With two small rear seats for occasional passengers or extra storage, the Targa manages to remain usable in day-to-day life, a rare trait for a high-performance sports car. Performance is where the 2025 Porsche 911 Targa 4 GTS truly shines. Power comes from a 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged flat-six engine that produces an impressive 473 horsepower and 420 lb-ft of torque. Paired with an 8-speed dual-clutch PDK transmission and Porsche's signature all-wheel drive system, the Targa 4 GTS accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.3 seconds. Top speed reaches 190 miles per hour, ensuring no shortage of adrenaline for enthusiasts. The exhaust note has been specially tuned for the GTS, delivering a deep and aggressive tone that emphasizes its performance edge. Whether you're pushing it on the track or enjoying a weekend drive along the coast, the Targa 4 GTS offers a thrilling yet composed experience. Despite its raw performance, Porsche ensures the Targa remains balanced and approachable. Standard adaptive suspension management (PSM), torque vectoring, and optional rear axle steering enhance agility and cornering stability. The wide stance and all-wheel drive traction inspire confidence even on wet or uneven roads, while selectable drive modes allow drivers to tailor the car's character to the situation, from relaxed cruising to track-level sharpness. Fuel efficiency is not the Targa's highlight, but it delivers respectable numbers for its class. Expect around 17 miles per gallon in the city and 23 miles per gallon on the highway, though most buyers prioritize performance and prestige over economy. With a fuel tank range of roughly 300 miles, it strikes a reasonable balance for long-distance touring when driven with moderation. In summary, the 2025 Porsche 911 Targa 4 GTS is more than just a sports car. It's a lifestyle statement. Combining open-air freedom, iconic design, race-bred performance, and everyday usability, it represents one of the most complete packages in the world of luxury sports cars. For those who can afford its six-figure price tag, the Targa 4 GTS delivers an experience that few rivals can match. Thrilling to drive, breathtaking to behold, and sophisticated in every detail.